So, dude, I'm having my head waxed by this unknown deer that
Bambi.
Hey, buddy. Oh. Zach totally lied and said he got it out of here. Ah, no, 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 no.
Oh my God, it's a couple of them. Oh my God, go to your car. Get back. Oh my God, and get your food.
Look at that. Can you believe it?
Hey! Oh, y'all left my doors open! Oh, y'all suck! Oh,
God, now he's gonna get stuck in there.
This was full of pecans, and I find this. He took them all.
He ran out?
he's coming back now, Abby.
Where is he?
Shut the door.
Oh my God. 3 baby raccoons in our house.
What is that, blood?
There goes one. Oh my gosh, I found a friend. Hey, yo, Mr. Raccoon.
Come here.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Mama, come on. Come on, he's got food. Come on. He got something.
Get in there. He got something.
Yeah, he got something.